'Tis the season, and here's a fun fact for you. Before there were Christmas lights, there were Christmas candles. They started in Germany in the 17th century and spread across Europe. Europeans used the candles to cast lights on Christmas ornaments, which obviously led to a few fires.
Louis? My tree!
So what's the matter with you?
The world of Christmas lights as we know it was born after the invention of electricity and the light bulb. In 1885, Edward Johnson, a friend of Thomas Edison, lit the first Christmas tree sporting electric lights in New York. The tree drew large crowds who eventually wanted lights for their own homes. The first sets of Christmas lights sold for $14, which is $80 today. Luckily, GE had rentable lights which were inexpensive, allowing everyone to step into the Christmas spirit. After World War II, bubble lights became popular. These lights contained a liquid boiling inside the light, resulting in bright colors. In recent years, LED lights have stolen the Christmas market as they use less electricity and create amazing light displays. Christmas lights are a staple in modern nativity scenes. St. Francis of Assisi designed the first nativity scene. Pope Honorius gave Francis permission to set up a manger with hay and 2 live animals in an Italian cave. Francis invited villagers to behold his creation. From here, the popularity of nativity scenes took off in Europe. Other scenes started adding Joseph, Mary, and the 3 wise men, and sometimes even an entire village. As nativity scenes show no signs of slowing in popularity, there's a race to make the tallest nativity scene in the world. Portico Community Church in Mississauga, Ontario built a nativity scene with Mary, Joseph, baby Jesus, and strings of Christmas lights leading to a star 40 feet high in the sky. The current record holder for tallest nativity scene in the world is in Alicante, Spain, with Joseph standing 59 feet tall, Jesus reaching 10.5 feet, and Mary standing 32 feet high. Finally, there's one live-action nativity scene in Utah, with over 1,000 angels in attendance. It seems that every Christmas, we'll see new nativity scenes reaching for the stars.